Do you know what I mean? It's like,
Yeah,
well, that's
yeah,
pretty sick
yeah.
that you guys want to just come and crash a house party at the same time, like.
Yeah.
It's a bit shit.
That's it.
Oi, anyone got any ideas? Please empty this.
What is it?
Fucking Hoover, innit?
Maybe Hoover is.
Oi, can you get internet pin now, man?
Yeah?
Can you get internet pin now, man?
Yeah, there's internet up here. No, we can't. No, it's not working. What, we don't always get it from? We can't get internet.
Wait, what's this playing from? I'm really confused.
There, on the sofa, look. No, other way. Spin the other way. Spin the other way. Follow the lead.
Ugh. I don't know if it's just my setup, it's just making it really quiet. To be fair, I can't read this shit.
Is that your iPod, John?
Yeah, but I think it's gone into fucking Arabic or some shit.
Come in. What's the issues for, Ali? Oh.
Just keep running.
What's ringing down here then?
So I have to go back upstairs when it runs again.
Oh. You have a tune.
Wait, that's the
Does anyone
one.
want a sugar?
That's me.
What is it?
It's condom.
John, do you want a sugar? Actually.
Here.
Yeah, John, do you want a sugar?
No. It's alright, mate, it's sweet. Do you want
Be
them?
fine with you. You want to.
Oh, good.
Here. Do you want chicken?
Cheers, mate. What? I don't understand why I'm still only getting fucking speakers out of the monitor, man.
At least your spoon's not in the bin. That'd be pretty fucked up, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Someone said yes, they were up.
some could say yes.